Your trailer is equipped with Dexter Tow Assist as indicated by either a light outside your trailer or information provided by your trailer manufacturer. If your unit is equipped with Tow Assist, it is most easily recognized by the light on the outside of the trailer. To start the Tow Assist system, the unit should be connected to the tow vehicle, and a brake signal is required. The system will perform a self-check at startup, and you will notice the light change between green and amber quickly for up to 5 seconds. The light should remain green after this self-check. If the light does not remain green, you must utilize the Dexter Tow Assist app to determine the cause of the light color. The first step in connecting to the app is to locate the harness connector. Its primary purpose is to attach the wireless communication device to the Tow Assist system so your phone can communicate with the system. Most manufacturers install this in the compartment or storage area at the front of the unit. If you can't find the connector, please get in touch with your trailer manufacturer for specific floor plan locations. Once the connector is located, ensure the wireless communication device is plugged in. Dexter supplies a wireless communication device with every Tow Assist system. If not plugged in, it may be in the trailer manufacturer's owner's packet. If you can't find the wireless connection device, please get in touch with your trailer manufacturer for a replacement. If your connector is in a non-enclosed area, remove the wireless communication device when the trailer is in tow. The next step is downloading the Dexter Tow Assist app on a compatible device. It is available in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the app and click the Connect button at the bottom of the home screen. On the next screen, click vPeak. Allow the system up to 20 seconds to communicate with the Tow Assist system. The progress will be shown in the top left corner as it proceeds through the readings. Then, when the reading is complete, the progress notification will say Complete, and the Reset button at the bottom will show full red. The connection is not continuous, so refresh the screen for up-to-date readings. The app will then give you the reasoning for the indicator light colors shown and walk you through troubleshooting steps. You can also use the app to read the trailer odometer and access important Dexter resources. For more information about Dexter's Tow Assist, visit our website or find us on social media.